everyone. So I'm starting a new series where I would be testing out a celebrity's diet. So I would be eating an entire day according to what their day is and what their diet is, and then I will review it. I will also be giving a few tips and tricks of how each dish can probably be improved nutrition wise or macro wise. So hope you like this series and let me know which celebrities you would like me to try. So I'm starting off this series with none other than Alia Bhatt. Now to know what her diet is, like everyone else, I went where you get the most answers, which is internet. Now I searched and searched a lot and I got a lot of articles with the basic diet that she consumes. But what I felt was that they were really old. So then that's when it struck me and I realized that, oh, she also has a YouTube channel. So I went on to her YouTube channel and that's where I found these videos where she cooks with her chef. So when I opened the cooking video, one of the cooking video that she's done, in that I saw that on her fridge there are a lot of fridge magnets where she's put her options of various breakfast, snack, lunch, dinner, soups and breads and all. And what she does is she chooses one magnet from each of that and then she plans her diet for the day, and I think her chef cooked accordingly. So I found it very interesting that she has so many options and every day she can just choose one of the fridge magnets, and that's how her day is decided. So I took a screenshot of that and now I have decided my personal favorites out of that. And of course I will be choosing only the veg options since I'm a vegetarian. So that's how I've planned my day. And yes, that also includes her famous beetroot salad. So as you all can see, I have took total inspiration from her and her video. I've tried to dress similar to her to get in the vibe of that. So let's get on to the video. So we would be dividing our day into breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner. So I would be cooking 4 dishes and let's start with breakfast. So now for breakfast I have selected chia seed pudding. So that's what I think she had also cooked in one of her videos and that's where I have picked up the recipe from. So let's start making chia seed pudding. Let's get into my kitchen. So we have all the ingredients for chia seeds pudding over here. She had told about 1 scoop of chia seeds, 1 scoop of protein, 1 cup of coconut water and some stevia. I have not put exactly 1 scoop, a little less than that because I want to make less quantity as I am consuming it alone. But nevertheless the taste remains the same. So let's make it. So in the recipe she's just told to mix all of this together, which is very easy. So let's do that. We start with roasted chia seeds. Then there is coconut milk going in. And then protein powder, and then she says that recently she's developed a craving for sweet which she didn't have before, which is a problem, but I don't think that's a problem. That's completely fine. Anyway, she's put stevia, liquid stevia. I do not have that, so I'm going to put the crystals. Now I also like things sweet, so I'm going to put it according to my taste. And now you have to mix all of this thoroughly because it should not form lumps. Trying to mix it like Dilip without forming lumps. I think I need to be quick now. So our chia seed pudding is ready. Now this goes into the fridge to cool it down for some time and then we shall taste test it. So I had kept this to set in fridge for 2 hours. Meanwhile I was just prepping for other dishes that we are going to cook. This is out. Now let's see how this tastes. You all can see it. It's set very nicely. Let's see. Taste test. See, it's very gooey. I don't know how it's going to taste. Also I'm starving so much, so I hope this turns out good. Otherwise I'm going to become very hungry. Not bad. So first I'll tell you what this tastes like. Now, since we had roasted the chia seeds, there's a lot of crunch in this, which is good. If you put, I guess if you put in soaked chia seeds, it's going to become very mushy. So this is a very nice touch. Now I personally like the taste of coconut milk, so I really like it. But if you are somebody who does not like coconut milk or the taste of coconut, you're not going to like this at all because this is through and through coconut taste in this. And there's also protein powder in this, so it's very healthy. And I think stevia adds a very nice touch of sweetness in this. Now I do not have a sweet tooth. I like things bitter, so I'm okay with this amount of sweetness. But if you feel that you like things more sweet, you would really have to pump up on that sugar in this, or you can also add some normal sugar. That's completely fine. Now the quantity is so much, and since this has coconut milk, it has chia seeds, I'm sure I'm going to be really full if I complete this, which I am going to complete and going to let you know how I feel after that. If we come to nutrition, I guess this dish is really balanced because it has chia seeds and coconut milk. So it has got that healthy fats, it's got the omega-3 fatty acids, it has also got some protein powder. So that also balances out your protein intake for the meal. Now stevia or sugar, it really does not make a huge difference because I don't think you should be consuming this pudding every single day, or you would. Now, personally, I like savory things in my breakfast. I'm not such a sweet morning person. So this much sweet or this much sugar would be okay for me. So overall, dish is really good, balanced dish macro-wise. I will also put the macros over here or down in the description box, so you can check that out. So taste-wise, really good. Macro-wise, also very good. So I am giving this dish a big thumbs up. Of course, you can also eat this as your snack and a dessert too. If it was not coconut milk and normal milk, it would almost taste like a kheer, so which is great. Okay, so I did give this dish for my family to taste, and my mom really liked it, but my friend was like, this tastes like khopre ka meeta chutney. Now I did not feel it like that. Okay, so I think reviews are done. Now finally I'm going to have my breakfast and enjoy this stuff. And I think it's perfect because I had worked out in the morning. I've not got my protein in, so this works. Let me enjoy and I'll get back. Okay, update. I was not able to complete that. One, it is very very heavy. Second, इतना monotonous taste है that after a while आप नहीं खा सकते हो उसको. So few spoons are okay, but after that I think it becomes too much. इतना late हो चुका है breakfast को, so that now it's almost time for lunch. So let's prep for lunch. Abhi for lunch, mostly what I have seen is she eats a lot of roti, sabzi, dal kind of a girl, which I like because that's what even I do. I like my roti, sabzis, dals, rice. That's what I eat for my lunch. I've also read a lot that she uses different kind of flours. So kabhi jawar ki roti ho gayi, bajra ki, nachni ki, according to what weather and season we are in, which is also again good. Now what I have decided for lunch is, so she's made this zucchini sabzi. So I think this fits perfectly because sabzi bhi ho jayega and I will be able to follow her recipe also. So we'll be making zucchini sabzi. Along with that, I like curd and salad in my lunch. So the beetroot salad, her famous beetroot salad fits perfectly over here. So हम वो भी बनाएंगे. And for roti, what I am going to use is khapli wheat. So I am going to make rotis out of khapli wheat. अभी इसका introduction मैंने already दे दिया है काफ़ी videos में कि khapli wheat क्या है. If you want to know more about it, you can always comment that down below. But that's what I'm going to use. So let's get back into my kitchen. Okay, so we will start by making the zucchini sabzi. Now that requires one diced zucchini. So that's what we are going to start with. Okay, so I remember I'm going to do a classic Kendall Jenner over here. Let's see how it feels. Okay, this is so uncomfortable. How was she even doing this? जाने दो, हम अपना normal cutting करेंगे. Let the sides go. Okay, so I'm going to keep the skin of this. Let's make zucchini sabzi. Now, we start with half tablespoon oil by putting rye, green chili, curry patta. I love this crackling sound. Now, goes in the star of the show, the zucchini. So the sabzi is almost cooked. Jeera powder, amchur powder, fennel seeds, some grated coconut. I love grated coconut. And now let's give this a good mix. This smells heavenly. I hope it tastes equally good. Good we use less oil initially because coconut is also going to leave some oil. So it balances that out. And last but not least, some good old dhania. So zucchini sabzi is ready. Now we will be making her famous beetroot curd salad. So for beetroot salad, we will first take one beetroot which is boiled and grated. Now in this goes 1 cup dahi. So now we'll just mix this up. Personally, I love dahi. I accompany that with my every meal. Now in goes a pinch of chaat masala, pinch of black pepper, and some dhania, some jeera, and rye, and some curry patta. So that was a little hing. In goes the vagar. Man, it really smells so good. Some dhania. Okay, so we are back. Lunch time. खाना बन चुका है. So we have some zucchini sabzi, ghee वाली roti, and what we had made, beetroot salad. So now I'm going to taste test this. I'm so hungry, I can't wait. So let's have this. Smells amazing. I hope it tastes equally well. The sabzi is too good. It has that little khatta sa swad, meetha sa swad, and again the coconut is adding a lot of flavor. Like I said, मुझे coconut बहुत पसंद है. In fact, even when I make some French bean का sabzi, I put coconut in that, dry coconut. Must try. And it's not at all oily, but yet it is tasting so good. Now we will taste the beetroot salad. Again, it smells so good. I can understand why she was eating this salad whole day. It is so calming. and beetroot has a little sweetness, so that also comes into this. Dahi has a little tanginess, perfectly balances out each other. Love this meal, love this meal. I'm going to totally enjoy. तो मैं ये खाती हूँ. I'm also going to share this meal with my family and get their reviews. So lunch हो चुका है. There were two rotis, one sabzi and the beetroot salad. अभी रोटी खापली वीट की थी, छोटी छोटी दो. I think that is enough for me at least, and I put ghee on my roti. अगर टेस्ट के बारे में बोले देन दिस रेसिपी इज परफेक्ट. आई डोंट थिंक एनीथिंग नीड्स टू बी चेंज्ड. आई लव्ड इट एंड लाइक आई वाज टेलिंग यू कि मैं अपने फैमिली का रिव्यूज़ भी बताऊंगी एंड दे हैव ऑल्सो लव्ड इट. वी वर लिटरली फाइटिंग कि कौन खत्म करेगा. तो इट वॉज रियली गुड. अभी आते हैं न्यूट्रिशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू पे. zucchini sabzi, there's nothing much to say. Of course it is healthy. There was hardly any oil used also. It is a perfect balance of everything. It also has again coconut, which is a very healthy fat to eat. In and out, I loved it. Then coming to beetroot salad. First of all, I am so happy that there is curd, because personally I love curd. Everybody should love curd. Everybody should eat curd. It has great probiotics. It's a very good protein source for vegetarians. Include it in every meal. So again, I loved it. And beetroot, again, great nutrition. I will put all the calories and the macros down in the description box. You can check that out. And मैंने रोटी बनाई थी खापली wheat से. Again, I've talked a lot about this wheat. If you are diabetic, if gluten does not suit you, this is one of the ancient variety of wheat. इससे आपको stomach, digestion कोई issues नहीं होगा. I love it. I've started using that. Of course, आप जवार, बाजरा, नाचनी, normal wheat की रोटियाँ भी pair कर सकते हो इसके साथ. I found this meal perfectly balanced. अभी आप लोग सब एक क्वेश्चन पूछोगे, प्रोटीन कहाँ है? तो कर्ड में तो प्रोटीन था ही, बट इफ योर गोल इज टू हिट 20 to 30 grams ऑफ प्रोटीन विद एवरी मील, ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन पेयर दिस विद सम स्क्रैम्बल्ड पनीर, या तो आप वे प्रोटीन भी ले सकते हो इसके साथ. फॉर मी आई थिंक इतना बस है. आई कैन डिवाइड माई प्रोटीन अदरवाइज इन एवरी अदर मील. तो लंच के लिए इतना बस है. माई स्टमक इज़ रियली फुल. अभी मैं थोड़ा सा काम कर लूँगी, उसके बाद अगेन वी आर गोइंग टू प्रेप फॉर स्नैक. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है ये दिन कितना फटाफट जा रहा है, बिकॉज बिफोर आई कैन कंप्लीट वन मील मेरे को किचन में भागना पड़ रहा है दूसरा मील बनाने के लिए. बट नॉनदलेस आई एम रियली एंजॉइंग इट, क्योंकि अब तक जो दोनों डिशेस बनी है इट वॉज अ टोटल सक्सेस. सो लेट्स सी लेटर हाफ ऑफ द डे कैसा जाता है. नाउ फॉर स्नैक ऑल्सो शी हैड सो मेनी ऑप्शंस ऑन दैट फ्रिज मैग्नेट. आई विल पुट अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दैट ओवर योर. तो इसमें से मैंने कौन सा सेलेक्ट किया है, तो आई रियली लाइक सैलड्स. तो पीनट सैलड इज़ वॉट आई हैव सिलेक्टेड, क्योंकि मेरे को पीनट का टेस्ट भी पसंद है एंड इट साउंडेड रियली फैंसी. अभी मैंने बहुत इंटरनेट सर्च किया, तो आलिया भट्ट का तो कोई स्पेशल रेसिपी है नहीं. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू मेक दिस अकॉर्डिंग टू माई स्टाइल एंड माई न्यूट्रिशन. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. कुछ इट्स नॉट मच फॉर पीनट सैलड. आई जस्ट चॉप्ड ऑल द वेजिटेबल्स दैट आई लाइक एंड देन आई मिक्सड इट ऑल टुगेदर. उसके साथ बॉइल्ड पीनट्स. नाउ आई डिड नॉट हैव एनी मिंट लीव्स और पोमोग्रेनेट सीड्स ऑन हैंड, बट यू कैन ऑल्सो ऐड दैट टू इट. पूरा का पूरा रेसिपी आई जस्ट लिंक इट डाउन बिलो, विच आई यूज, सो यू कैन गो एंड चेक दैट आउट. सो दिस इज पीनट सैलड, all the veggies and peanut and chaat masala, lemon, your usual. You can also add chili flakes or oregano to this. I do not like the taste of oregano at all, so I have not put that in this. So let's taste it. Taste तो क्या ही करना है, मेरे को पता है अच्छा है. I can already smell the chaat in this, but still. So usually chana chaat जो मिलता है, this is exactly like that. It's just that if you get bored of eating the same old chana, you can add peanut to it. अभी ऑलमोस्ट बॉइल्ड ग्राउंडनट है, सो दैट्स कम्प्लीटली फाइन. टेस्ट वाइज ह्यूज थम्स अप. आई रियली लाइक इट. इनफैक्ट मैं ये पीनट्स तो रॉ भी खा सकती हूँ विदाउट द सैलड, बॉइल करके, जस्ट लाइक दैट. न्यूट्रिशन वाइज अगेन देयर इज नो इशू विद दिस. आई थिंक इट्स रियली गुड एंड इट्स सो हैवी कि इतना बॉइल करके तो मुझे नहीं लगता दैट आई एम गोइंग टू ईट इट. नाउ व्हाई डू आई से दिस इज हेल्दी? वी विल सी दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द इंडियन टी टाइम स्नैक्स इंक्लूड बिस्किट्स, चिवड़ा, सेव एंड वॉट नॉट, बेसिकली एनी डीप फ्राइड फूड. So उसके कंपैरिजन में दिस इज extremely nutritious and is going to keep you full for such long period of time. Plus you can also travel with this. So it's a very nice recipe to try. 10 on 10. I'll just link it down below. You can check that out. अभी इसका भी macros वगैरह link it down but ज़्यादा नहीं है, because there's hardly any vegetables that we use and चाट मसाला and all. So mostly जो भी है peanut का है. अभी आते हैं macro balance पे. तो again same question rises कि fat और carbs तो ठीक है, लेकिन प्रोटीन का क्या? सो वट आई वुड से, हर मील में प्रोटीन देखने मत जाओ. ओवरऑल आपको दिन का प्रोटीन कंप्लीट करना है. सो इफ यू वांट टू अगेन पेयर दिस विद सम वे प्रोटीन या सम चीज और सम scrambled paneer, you can do that to fulfill your protein requirement. But otherwise, this just by itself, 10 on 10. So of course, my family also loves this. What is not to love in this? And now it's around I think 4:35 p.m. it is right now. And my dinner is around 7:30, so I'll be prepping for that. Before that, I also have one consultation, so I'll be completing that, and then we'll get on to the dinner prep. Abhi dinner mein also she had a lot of options. There's curries, rice, there's rotis, and there's a lot of non-vegetarian option also. So again, I will attach the screenshot. You all can see that. Abhi in sab mein se मेरे को सबसे exciting fried rice लगा, because I like rice. And again, you can have rice in dinner. It's completely fine. I always have it. So I'm going to make some paneer fried rice. Come with me in my kitchen. We'll cook that soon. Let's make some spicy fried rice. Now we are adding our tadke ka mix, which is green chilies and garlic. Now I already have this recipe on my Instagram account, so you can go and check that out. Now these are our veggies, beautiful cut veggies. We're going to put these inside. Let's do that. In goes the capsicum and the carrot. I'll just cook this a little before putting in the rest of the veggies because they are a little softer. In goes the cabbage, some green onions. Now I'll add some salt to this and let it cook for some time. So this is almost cooked. We'll add our paneer to this, the rice, and now the star of the show, the sauce mixture. So like I said, the recipe for all of this is there on my Instagram. You can go and check that out. Now we just have to mix and cook this on extremely high flame. So we cook this on high flame, and now spicy fried rice is ready. So finally, the last meal of a day, which is dinner, is ready. As I said, I had made paneer fried rice. So now we are going to do the taste test of this. अब इसका रेसिपी चाहिए तो like I said मेरे Instagram पे already है. You can go and check that out. Let's eat. वैसे तो मैंने थोड़ा खा लिया है बनाते वक्त and it's really yummy, but still. The sauces. So इसका taste तो definitely 10 on 10 है because of course I've already tried this recipe. Now coming to nutrition part, first of all, you can eat rice in the evening or night time. That's completely fine. इसमें पनीर है, so finally protein is here. Of course there are a little soy sauce and chili sauce and all of that. But once in a while it's completely okay because you're putting just 1 spoon of each, which is fine. Now personally I would pair this with a bowl of curd. I don't know what does Alia Bhatt do, but I think even she loves curd. So that's what my dinner is going to be. It's going to be this fried rice and a bowl of curd. Abhi wo peanut salad itna heavy tha that there is only little space in my stomach now for dinner. So I'm going to enjoy this and then I'll come right back to wrap up this video. Guys, I am back after eating an entire day of wonderful, wonderful food. I am so happy कि every recipe was a hit. कोई भी एक recipe ऐसा नहीं था where I was like, okay, how can I even consume that? Because sometimes when you look at celebrities, you feel कि ये लोग क्या खाते होंगे, इतना weird. But kudos to Alia Bhatt. She really eats yummy food, which is also healthy. Again, if you see the screenshot of all the other dishes, it's really great. So I had a wonderful day making this as well as eating these foods, and it's really great that I have started this series because now I can incorporate so many of this in my daily routine also. So can y'all. So y'all can definitely try this, especially the beetroot salad and a zucchini sabzi. Do give it a try. And this was, of course, Alia Bhatt ko dekh ke lagta bhi hai that she must be eating really healthy, looking at her. So try these things and नीचे comment करो आपको ये कैसा लगा series and which other celebrity you want me to try the diet of. So if you like this video, बहुत मेहनत गया है, बहुत पसीना गया है kitchen में. So if you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, probably share it with your friends who are Alia Bhatt fans. And if you have any questions about your diet or if you want to connect with me, this is my Instagram handle. I am just a DM away. And until next time, stay healthy, stay fit.